Welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield Sabotage mission bug. Let's go over to the steps. First is you need to scan the door while completing the mission. Upon scanning the door, it will automatically activate, allowing you to proceed with your sabotage mission and Starfield. Next is you can untrack and retrack the mission. First, untrack the mission, then wait for at least a minute, then track the sabotage mission again, and try to do the quest normally. Next one, simply use the correct steps for completing the mission. Do the quest in a correct manner, and make sure that you are not doing unnecessary process. Next is to level up your stealth skill before attempting to complete the sabotage mission. Make sure that your stealth skill is high. It is a requirement for the sabotage mission to have an advanced stealth skill in order to complete it. Another step is to use silence weapons. Using a silence weapon to take out enemy can result to the completion of the mission and can fix the sabotage mission bug in the process. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.